it's Gina with WTI. And when I was putting in my craft corner in our warehouse, I was looking for a beautiful set of rechargeable sconces because we have limited access to electricity. These were absolutely what I wanted. First off, can you even believe that they're rechargeable? They look exactly like wired-in lights. And they get bright, but can also be dimmable with 3 different choices of light. So I like the kind of in-between bright light and warm. I think that's like the perfect setting. MSTETO has so many different styles to choose from. I got the black and gold ones. I think they look amazing with my acoustic wall panels. And the milky glass globes with the combination of the black and gold I think is just so stunning. These come incredibly well packaged. You can have total peace of mind that they will not arrive damaged. And I was able to put them together and install them myself in under an hour. I would recommend using a level to install them, and I found having a power tool to drill the screws in was the easiest way to put them on the wall. You can control them either by a button on the side or remotes. One remote can control both, but it also comes with 2 remotes in case you have them in different locations. I am so happy with these lights. They charge quickly, they look amazing. I think you're gonna love them too, and that's my point of view.